Selena, Class 10, Chapter 22, Heights and Distances. Sub number 11. A person standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of top of a tree standing on the opposite bank is 60 degree. When he moves away from the bank, he finds that the angle of elevation is to be 30 degree. Find the height of the tree and the width of the river. Let AB be the tree of height h meter and BC be the width of the river. Let D be the point opposite bank of the tree such that CD is equal to 40 meter. Here ADB equal to 30 degree, ACB equal to 60 degree. Let the speed of the boat be x meter per minute. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan 60 degree equal to root 3, H upon BC equal to root 3, H is equal to BC root 3. In triangle ADB, AB upon BD equal to tan 30 degree, AB H upon 40 plus BC equal to tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. H is equals to BC root 3. BC root 3 upon 40 plus BC equal to 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply. 3 BC equal to 40 BC. BC equal to 20 meters. Therefore, H is equal to BC into root 3. 20 into 1.732 equal to 34.64 meters. Hence, the height of the tree is 34.64 meters and the width of the river is 20 meters. Sum number 12. The horizontal distance between two towers is 75 meters and the angular depression of the top of the first tower as seen from the top of the second, which is 160 meter, is 45 degree. Find the height of the first tower. Let AB and CD be the two towers. The height of the first tower AB is 160 meter. Horizontal distance between the two towers is 75 meters and the angle of depression of the first tower as seen from the top of the second tower is ACE is 45 degree. In triangle ACE, AE upon EC equal to tan 45 equal to 1 implies AC AE is equal to EC is equal to BD equal to 75 meters. Therefore, CD is equal to EB, which is equal to AB minus AE equal to 160 minus 75 equal to 85 meters. Hence, height of the other tower is 85 meters. Sum number 13. The length of the shadow of a tower standing on a level plane is found to be 2y meter longer when the sun altitude is 30 degree. Then what it was 45 degree. Prove that the height of the tower is y into root 3 plus 1 meters. Let AB be the tower and C and D be the 2 points such that CD is equal to 2y meter. Angle ADB equal to 45 degree. Angle ACB equal to 30 degree. In triangle ABD, AB upon BD equal to tan 45 degree equal to 1 implies H is equal to BD. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan 30 degree implies H upon BC equal to 1 upon root 3 implies BC is equal to root 3 H implies BC is BCD plus H equal to root 3 H. 2y CD is 2y equal to root 3 minus 1 into H. Therefore, h is equals to 2y upon root 3 minus 1. Multiply by root 3 plus 1 on both the sides. Multiply and divide. So 2y into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1 square. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 3 square minus 1 square, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 get cancelled. Remains y into root 3 plus 1 m. Hence, height of the tower is y into root 3 plus 1 into m. Meters. 14. An aeroplane flying horizontally 1 kilometer above the ground and going away from the observer is observed at an elevation of 60 degree. After 10 seconds, the elevation is observed to be 30 degree. Find the uniform speed of the aeroplane in kilometer per hour. Let A be the aeroplane and B be the observer on the ground. The vertical height will be AC 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. After 10 seconds, the aeroplane will be at D, point D. Let the speed of the aeroplane be x meter per second equal to CE after 10 seconds. So 10 into x. In triangle ABC, AC upon BC equal to tan 60 degree implies 1000 upon BC equal to root 3. BC equal to 1000 upon root 3 meter. In triangle BDE, BE upon BE equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Okay, and DE is 1000. Therefore, BE will be 1000 into root 3. CE is equal to BE minus BC. CE 10x equal to 1000 into root 3 minus 1000 upon root 3 implies x equal to 100 root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Okay, same way multiply by root 3 on both the sides. So 3 upon root 3, 3 minus 1, 2 upon root 3, which is equal to 1.154 into 100 equal x equal to 115.4 meters per second. We want answer in kilometer per hour, so multiply by 18 by 5. 115.4 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour, which is equal to 415.67 kilometers per hour. The speed of the aeroplane is 415.67 kilometers per hour. Sum number 15. From the top of a hill, the angle of depression of two consecutive kilometer stone due east are found to be 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the distance of two stones from the foot of the hill. Let AB be the hill of height h kilometer and C and D be the two consecutive stones such that CD equal to 1 kilometer. Two consecutive kilometer stones. Angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Angle ADB equal to 45 degree. In triangle ABD, AB upon BD equal to tan 45 degree equal to 1 implies BD equal to H. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan 30 degree implies H upon BC equal to 1 upon root 3. H upon BC is H plus 1 equal to 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply root 3H equal to H plus 1. H is equals to 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay, multiply by root 3 plus 1 on both the sides. This will become root 3 square minus 1 equal to 2. Root 3 plus 1 equal to 2.732 upon 2 equal to 1.366 kilometer. BD equal to 1.366 kilometer. BC is equals to BD plus DC equal to 1.366 plus 1 equal to 2.366 kilometer. Hence, the two stones are at distance of 1.366 kilometers and 2.366 kilometers from the foot of the hill.